I've worked in pattern to the location of my dot. I've set up a contrasting color stitch on the previous round, and you need to be looking for the main color bar in between those first two stitches on your needle. So on the back side, you've got your floats here for the contrast color. You're not going to be working with the floats. Instead, you're going to be working with the main color. Stretch the stitches to prevent a squinched up float. To create the textured dot, we're going to be working with the bar in between the first two stitches of the needle, and it's going to be the main color bar, not the long float from the contrast color. So this bar in between the two stitches, we're going to work above and below it. So we start off by inserting your right hand needle underneath the bar, then wrap your contrast color, pull it through, and using that same bar, go above it this time, wrap the yarn, pull it through, and make sure that you're spreading out the stitches on the right hand needle so that you're not going to be pulling the float too tightly. Last, you're going to move your yarn to the front because now we're going to purl that stitch. And then I'm going to hold this contrast color firm in my hand, and I'm going to insert the tip of my left hand needle into those loops I just created, both of them at the same time, and I'm going to pull them over the purled stitch.
You can absolutely perform your dotted color work with two hands, holding your contrasting color in your left hand so that it is the dominant one. Do whatever is most comfortable for you and make sure you use the same method when you're swatching.